Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video. And important update on Bitcoin. It's a pretty big day today with the interest rate coming later tonight. I will also be live streaming during the inflation rate or interest rate, excuse me. So check that out if you're interested in that. And right now I just wanted to kind of prepare you for that. Later today I will probably still make a full interest rate video, what to expect, what everything means. But in this video we'll already talk about it briefly and especially related to Bitcoin. And we'll talk a bit about the technicals, but there's not a lot we have to talk about regarding the technicals, but it's good to know. So that's what we'll do. Before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. Now into Bitcoin. So yeah, to start off with the technicals, we've just been reacting a lot to the fundamentals, but technically, all right, we found resistance here at around 28,800, historically a very strong resistance level, as you can see. And now we're kind of stuck in this mini area between 28,250, where you got a couple of Fibonacci levels and then also the 200 EMA, which supported us in the last or last night at least. And you got this resistance, as I said, around 28,900, and we're stuck in that level. I do not expect too much movement today before the interest rates, but I do think that there's a possibility of having a bullish breakout. But we'll get into that a little bit later. First of all, I mean, as I said, right now we're just reacting a lot to the dollar strength index. Dollar strength index was relatively strong Monday heading into Tuesday. So then what you saw with Bitcoin is that we got quite a lot of bearish momentum, or at least we stabilized on Tuesday, but Monday we received quite a lot of bearish momentum. And then yesterday, for example, just to show you how much we're reacting to it and how important it is that you take a look at it, yesterday, or that you keep track of the fundamentals, which I always try to do as well in these Bitcoin videos. So if you're interested in that, make sure to subscribe. But the job openings were lower than expected. That's obviously a bad thing for the US, but that is a good thing for the interest rate today, because perhaps it plays a role into less rate hikes and perhaps a rate pause. So yeah, because of that, dollar strength index fell down because it's bad for the US, but Bitcoin actually rallied quite a bit. Then we found resistance at a technical level. That certainly helps, but we also found resistance at the same point that the dollar strength index reached its first support. And right now, this morning, when I took a look at the dollar strength index, it was relatively bullish. So Bitcoin was dropping a bit. But right now, dollar strength index is bearish. It's still dropping, and you'll see that Bitcoin is relatively bullish. So right now, usually that happens, that when you got such a big event coming tonight with the interest rate, usually we react to all of those fundamentals a bit more ahead of that. So what I expect for tonight does matter, and I made a full overview of everything that happened last night in terms of economic events for the US. I shared that in the Signal group as well. So if you want reports and research like that, go check it out. See if you want to join. But it looks like they have to be a little bit more dovish with the interest rate decisions, and the press conference after with the remarks about it. So dovish means that they will pause the hikes or at least slow it down, that the interest rate will not go up much more, which is bullish for crypto. I think everything points towards that. Banking crisis also helps with that. And therefore, I expect bullish momentum. Now, whether we can break above 28,800, 900, because that would technically be the big thing we would have to do, I'm not 100% sure, but I do think we can do that. All right, excuse me. That's for a potential trade, which I'll have to check out after this, but that's for later. So I do think today, leading up to the interest rate, we can break above 28,800. And then from there start our journey up to 29,600. But then again, as I said, I'll be live during the interest rate decision tonight. So I'll see you there. And until then, this is my Bitcoin update specifically related to it. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.